Hey girl, welcome back. Let's go ahead and clear something up really quick. You don't need to be a tech genius to make money online. Like, you don't even need to have any type of coding skills. You don't need to build this big website. You just need a system that works. And if you're new here, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. I teach women how to build soft, peaceful, and profitable online businesses that fits their life and not take over it. So if you're thinking or you've been thinking about starting your own digital business, but the tech has been holding you back, today's video is really going to change how you see it. I'm going to say this. We're not building complexity over here. All right, we're not building these chaotic businesses. We're building with clarity, okay? We're building peaceful systems that work for you while you live your life, while you homeschooling your kids like me, while you're outside with your husband if you're married, or you're outside with your girls. That's what I'm talking about, okay? That's what we do over here. When I first came online in 2014, I really thought success meant I had to do everything myself. Like, I'm talking about designing websites, writing codes. That's what we had to code back then. Building funnels, testing emails. Girl, it was a lot. What we have right now in 2025 is so much easier than it was in 2014. If you've been online since then, like 2014, 2015, even even up to, let's say, up to 2018 era, yeah. I'm talking about, my husband used to design WordPress websites. I still have my WordPress website, but he used to design WordPress website, made a lot of money doing that because back then we didn't have things like AI and we didn't have Canva back then. I think he was working in something, Adobe or something like that. So listen, I'm so glad, so thankful I had him because I wouldn't have had some of the things that I had if it wasn't for him. But now it's so much easier. And I know if you probably new to this online space, you're like, no, it's not, Sharita. Trust me when I tell you it's easier now than ever before. If you come in from them days, back then I was like, okay, if this what it takes to make money online, I'm not built for this. Sometimes I went back and got a job, okay? Now, it wasn't until I really started studying, I started studying real systems that helped me to realize something powerful. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about using tools that do the heavy lifting for you, even now. Once I started simplifying everything, that's when my business started running smoother and my income became steady and I had the time to actually live. That's why I tell women all the time, you don't need more tech. You need more truth about what actually matters. Being all over the place and having all these tech things, no. Sometimes you just need one thing, one simple digital store, one simple system that's going to do all of the work for you. I'm telling you, it's simple. And I know I keep saying that. Once you start doing the work, once you actually get in it, you'll be able to be like, you know what, Sharlrita was right. Like, that's all I need to do. That's it. Yes. So go ahead. So you can make your money online. Get the tech out of the way so you can go ahead and get your link. Because everybody needs a link. Okay. But in order for you to get a link, you need something to sell your digital products or your digital businesses on. So let's talk about what actually matters, okay? If you're starting your digital reseller business, here are the only three tools. The only three tools you truly need to get started. And none of them require you to be a tech genius. No. Okay. The first one is a simple sales page. Okay. You don't need a full website. You just need one clean, clear page that does one thing, shows the product and let people buy. That's it. The company that provides your reseller product will usually give you this page. Okay. If it's already set up, it's tested and ready to use. All you have to do is plug in, put your name, get your link, put your payment information, and what I call, like, you can set it and forget it. Okay. So once that part is done, right? The second two, you're gonna need a payment processor. Okay. You can't get paid if you don't have a way to receive money. I like using Stripe, PayPal. Now here's the good news. Most reseller systems already have payment processors connected. You just gotta set up your account. But if you are doing this independently, you can use a simple option like, again, Stripe, PayPal, or even like a beacon store. You don't need no coding, no setup headache. It literally connects everything so that you can have your business running. Okay, you got to have a payment processor to get payments. Okay, so people can pay you. And the third thing you need a communication system. This is where the magic happens. You need one place where you can stay in touch with your people who show interest in what you have. Because not everybody buys the first time that they see you. They see you on video. So this can be as simple as an email list. That's what you have, right? You own it. You can use System.me, other companies like ConvertKit, Flowdesk, or a Telegram group like mine, where you can invite people to connect, ask questions, and stay in your world. Automation will do most of your work. You just got to show up, add your personal touch, and stay consistent. Show up on a daily basis is your job. Posting the content is your job. Let me say this part very clearly. Your goal isn't to be techie. Okay, your goal is to be clear. Okay, you want to understand how your system flows. Okay, not how to build the system itself. There's a difference. I want you to think of it like driving a car. Like, you don't have to know how to build the engine. You just need to know how to drive it. That's the mindset of a soft life entrepreneur. Okay, you are the driver, not the mechanic. You get it? I hope you got it. And trust me, I get it, okay? Tech can be very intimidating, especially if you tried other business models that made you feel like you were too much behind before you even got started. I'm gonna tell you this. Every platform, every tool, every fancy thing online can be learned in bite-sized steps. And most of what you need to earn is already done for you. Like, yeah, that's why I love this reseller model. So even if I had to, when I learned, like I had to learn how to use System.me. That's my main system that I use. But I went on ahead and plugged into the business, and I copied, they give me the link to copy the exact opt-in page, the sales page. So I didn't even have to put words on the page, but I learned it just enough to know what my system is doing for me. So you want to learn what it's doing for you, but you don't have to, I didn't have to learn how to build it. Like, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. Inside the digital reseller model, the product, the system, and the training is already created. Like, your job is to show up, share, and serve. That's it. That's it. And once you learn how to automate just a few parts, teach you that too, like sending emails, sharing your link, or welcoming someone into your community, like, your business starts to run while you live your life. I tell my students all the time, you're not building a tech business, you're building a freedom-based business. So if you've been overthinking this, let's breathe. Okay. You don't need to build a big website. Okay. You don't even need to know coding. You just need Just be you. And you don't have to be techie. You really don't. I'm not really fully techie. I've learned as I go. What you need is a system that works. That's what I show you inside my guide called the Soft Life Reseller Blueprint. Now, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, how to set up your business the easy way, how to use automation without the overwhelm, and how to get your first product up and ready for sale, even if you've never done this before. Okay. You're also going to see the exact tools that I use to run my business every single day. Okay. And it's very, very minimal. I have very, very low overhead for my business. Okay. And when you grab that blueprint too, make sure you join the Soft Life Circle on Telegram. That's our beautiful community of women that I am creating, curating, where we're going to learn together, ask questions, share progress, and stay encouraged as well. So, because listen, I'm all about having community, all right, and that's why I want to curate. You don't have to be out here being by yourself. Even if you are, you download the guide, I still want to be there to support you. Okay. So I hope that this video helped you to give you some insights as to, especially if you're not such a techie person. I hope I dispelled the myths that you really don't have to. Again, there's very little learning. You do want to understand some things, but that's why you have me, because I'm here to help, to guide you along the way. Okay, so make sure you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Don't forget to get the guide. Come join the community, and I really want to help a lot more women. I want to help thousands of women start an online business the soft way, because we don't do things from scratch over here. Okay. We're all about leveraging, and I made sure that I incorporate those things in every part of my life, not just my business, but as you can see, if you watch my vlogs, even my home, and just how having systems in place really make life more manageable, even if life is lifing. Okay, because life is gonna life. All right. So again, I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them below. I am here to answer your questions. I'm here to serve you, and I'm here to, help you to build that soft life business. All right. So until the next time, I'll see you in the next video, girl. Okay. Bye.